Hey everyone, back again with another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can fix your issue. Issue is that your Netflix gonna stuck on the loading screen, and how you can resolve that. Simply just follow all the settings. I'm gonna tell that in the video to fix your issue. Simply just go to settings of your iPhone and have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection and also a good Wi-Fi connection. And also make sure that you just not connect with any VPN currently right now when using a Netflix. So make sure that simply just go to the VPN and device management section and just disconnect VPN from here. After that, simply just go to the transfer or reset iPhone and just tap on reset and reset the network settings from here. After that, just go back and scroll up and the option of iPhone storage. Just tap on that and just find a Netflix app and just tap on that and just tap on offload app and it cannot delete your data of your sign in which you currently right now, so it can offload app and you can simply just delete the and uninstall the app, and again you can download the app from that section. You cannot go to app store and you simply just download again in that section. Just like that, I'm going to tap on offload app and just wait for a second, and you see that there is an option of reinstall app. You can also install app from here, and after install app you cannot your data cannot delete on the Netflix. Just like that, your accounts, it can only delete the app, not your data. So after that your problem gonna solve. So make sure you all the settings which I'm gonna tell that in the video and to get your problem solved. So that is the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more upcoming updates related to the iPhone. So